Hello, here's another A-level question, multi-choice question on the mechanics topic. If you want to try to answer this question yourself, pause the video now. If you've got the answer B, well done. Here's my explanation. Small water drops leave a tap with zero velocity at intervals of 0.2 seconds. They then fall freely 0.8 meters to reach a horizontal surface. How far has the drop fallen when the previous drop hits the surface? So let's have a look here. There's the tap, and one drop is going to travel 0.8 meters to reach the surface. We could call that drop number one, and the question is, how far has drop number two travelled before when that first drop hits the surface? So perhaps the first thing we could find out is we could find out how long it takes for a drop to go from the tap to the surface. I can use the Suvet equation S equals ut plus a half at squared. I'm going to ignore this term because the initial velocity is 0. So let's rearrange. Sorry, I forgot to put the squared sign up there. Let's rearrange. So we've got that the time is equal to 2 times the distance over the acceleration, all square rooted. Let's put some numbers in here. The distance is 0.8 meters. The acceleration, we're assuming this is happening on Earth, is 9.8 meters per second squared. I'm going to get an answer of 0.40 seconds. So drop 1 is going to take 0.4 seconds to reach the surface. Well, after 0.2 seconds of that time, the second drop sets off on its journey. So that second drop will have been travelling for 0.4 minus 0.2, it'll have been travelling for 0.2 seconds itself. So I could use the same equation. Again, I'm going to ignore that first term because the initial velocity is 0. I can use the same equation to find out how far this second drop has now travelled. So the distance equals a half times the acceleration multiplied by the time squared. The acceleration is 9.81. The time, well, we've just worked out that the time that second drop is falling is 0.2 seconds. If I put those numbers into my calculator, I get an answer of 0.2 meters. Answer B. If that was a useful explanation, click on the subscribe button please, share with your friends, hit the like video and watch more of them in the series. Thank you for watching.